Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you cannot get notified when you have received likes on Likee. So let's get started. Firstly, open Likee app in a device, then tap on profile icon. Next tap on three dots icon. After that tap on settings. Next tap on notifications. Then you can see the option of likes. Turn off the likes button. So this is how we cannot get notified when you have received likes on Likee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.